Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. You know exactly how I get down. I get straight to the point. We're working on our 2013 Chevy Equinox, and the headlight does not work. So all you have to do is turn the wheel like this. There's going to be a small screw that's going to be, let me get this better in focus. It's going to be sitting right there, which is going to be this plate right here. You pull that screw off. And if you look inside, you'll see the light bulb right in front of me. And all I'm going to do, I can't get my hand in there and show you at the same time. All I'm going to do is go in there and turn the bulb counterclockwise and pull straight out. And there's your bulb right here. And to get this bulb off, you just turn it over. You lift up on this tab. There's a tab right here. And you pull off. There's a tab sitting right there. You just lift up and pull off. Let me see if I can get the plug. And there's your tab right there. You just lift that up and you do the reverse. You stick it back in and turn it clockwise and screw everything back together. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And keep that algorithm going by hitting the like button so all the customers can see how to save themselves a lot of money, because I'm here for you to save money. Thank you.